Sometimes I feel stuck, but all I do is just passively watch as I drown myself in an endless stream of posts and content. There's so many people online that just seem to be better than me in every single way, and I can't help but compare myself to them. Honestly, makes me feel like shit. And that's still not enough to stop me. I just keep watching more.
3 ways for men to become instantly more attractive.
Women can't handle the truth. They prefer comforting lives.
I'm the hero.
Drop the phone and go out and do something instead that you want to do. I don't know, man, I'm trying to make a message. Social media is what this video is about, but at its core, it's really about confidence in yourself. I get caught up in my own head a lot and I worry about how other people think of me. But once you're out there, and also when you're by yourself, you kind of are forced to just accept yourself and you don't get all this other feedback. So you kind of just be in that moment, as cheesy as that sounds. Confidence really just comes from acceptance. I feel like social media gets in the way of that. I'd say get out of nature because it's so nice, especially when you live down here in Australia. God. Oh, I jumped in the water. I probably saw that. And it's cold. It looks good, but it's cold as fuck. My shoes are completely drenched. Oops. So I'm camping in the middle of a little forest that's actually on the side of the road. Don't know why I'm recording this.